Hi, my name is Jane and I'm one of the FlexiLearnHub tutors. Welcome to FlexiLearnHub, your online learning destination designed to help you achieve your career goals at your own pace. With over 20 years of experience in the hospitality and care industries, we provide a wide range of essential, accredited courses that fit into your busy life. Whether you're looking to enhance your employment skills or gain new certifications in your current role, our flexible online platform allows you to study when it's convenient for you, giving you the freedom to balance learning with your existing commitments. At FlexiLearnHub, we're committed to offering high-quality, relevant training that meets the needs of the evolving hospitality and care sectors. Once you register and start your chosen learning course, you will have 12 months access to the course, but in the first 90 days, you will need to complete the quiz and pass at your convenience. Don't worry if you don't pass first time, you can do the quiz again and again in the first 90 days until you do pass. The quiz is made up of 15 multiple choice questions, and all our courses apply the same rules. Don't forget all of our training courses allow you to stop, pause and go back in order to recap, review or study any diagrams at any time. When all the course modules are completed, you can take the quiz. When you pass the quiz, you will be able to download your recognized CPD-Accredited Certificate. The quiz has a minimum 80% correct answer pass rate on all our courses. Certificates are valid for 1 to 2 years depending on which course you are doing. Start your learning journey with us today and invest in your future with FlexiLearnHub by registering for an account and then choosing your desired course. Thank you.